Kabo Sanchar Jonka District Ri Bhoi Mentaga Sngi Kala Shim Yaka Sinjam Banwat Yakila Jingyada Kibapaka Halor Ka Jingshlei Kaba Jujia Manla Usnem Hakathan Jerobat Bat Khanapara Da Kabalum Yaka Jingyalang Bat Ki Officer Nakitana Sorkar Baper Ban Bishar Bnia Ya Ka Jing Ban Penbej Yaki Kam Ki Badon Kam Ban Le No Mardor Ya Kan Yaka Jingyalang La Penlong Da Deputy Commissioner Ka Ri Bhoi District Dr. Abhishek Saini Laya Don Langru Ki Officer Ka National Highway Authority of India PWD Water Resources District Disaster Management Authority Soil and Water Conservation Forest Department Meghalaya Police Lembat Ki Officer Katana North Eastern Space Application Center Habakren Shikilat Pathai Kubor Hadin Ka Jingyalang U Dr. Abhishek Saini Loong Baka Jingakren Sani Bha Halor Kilat Jingyada Kibayade ban pentre kam mardor hadin baga jingsle hakini kisngi baladep kala panjinjar yaw paidbah ula ongru bawala ka jingya khon ban penbe ya kan ka jinge kelas dang nadu kisnem balale henry ka jingdon kam ban pen state ya ka jingtre kam ya ki project ki badang sa nang ba onla ban penduna ya ka jingsha khata jong ki paidbah ha ka por jur slam na pedeng kirai balashim hakani kasngi ki kanthop ya ka jingpen he ya ki nala ka jingpen kho ya ki nala baladap jaboh Bat bante ye ki check dam ha ki jaka ke pa khamsha khata ha ga jinglei U Deputy Commissioner ula Kyrpad ru ya ki paidbah bakinya trelang da ka ba kiar ye ka jingbret jaboh shakinala namar punsin ki jaboh ki khang ye kalentia jongko bat ka long wei ka dauba bat penjur ya ka jinglei ha ba Jerusalem.
So today we had a coordination meeting to look for various measures and solutions to solve the flooding problem in the Jorabat Khanapara area. We had a meeting with the various line departments, including from NHAI, from PWD, Water Resources, Police Department, District Disaster Management Office, and Soil and Water Conservation, Forest also. And we discussed at length the various immediate measures as well as the long-term measures that are required to be taken. Various measures have already been taken in the past also. However, we need to speed that up. And our effort was to make sure that that the flooding problem we can mitigate, and also what to do so that in long term the impact is less. Officials from NESAC were also there, and decisions were taken in various categories, like for example widening the drains that are there, and to NHAI cleaning of the drains, and at the same time any kind of constructions required, whether check dams or other places. And we focused on the hotspots where flooding has been recurring, and we have also issued various orders. And I would also urge the various citizens to please make sure that the garbage is not thrown into the drains, because many cases we have seen that it ends up clogging the drains, and in the end the water does not get the proper outlet and it leads to flooding. So I would request cooperation from the citizens also, so that we are able to solve this problem in the short term as well as in the long term.